All right, guys, today we are putting together this Bronco. We're gonna be putting the doors on and the front fender and the hood and the front grille. We bought a kit from Wild Horses that has every single bolt imaginable. Comes with everything here, and it's actually pretty awesome because everything is marked, so you don't need to guess. This is grill, tail lamp lenses, I mean everything. Totally comes in handy, as you can see there, Wild Horses branding. But we're gonna hang that stuff, so we'll take a look and go through this. For the fenders though, I opened this bag here and it has some different size bolts and it has some different things here. So it has some of that there, this size bolt, smaller size bolt, and then these here. So looking at these holes here, and we're gonna figure out what goes where. All right, here we go. All right, so here we have this gorgeous, beautiful color with the doors that are going on there. All right, so it looks like some of those will go up top, and I put some here. And then these bolts will go here. That, two there. And then there's some corner that hook up to the grill. And then there are some that go down here for the support. So we'll get on it. Let's check and see how this thing is gonna look. All right, so I put these three here just so I can hang the fender. This one for some reason is sealed, but we'll have to open that up. And all right, so let's throw this fender on. Here's the grill, gorgeous grill. But right now we're putting on the door hinges. If you guys have never done that, there's two sides to this. There's a flat side right there, and there's a curved side. There's also a pin, and the pin goes on top. So make sure the curved side goes in and the pin goes on top. And that's pretty simple, but we're gonna throw this side on now. And this is, I mean, with absolute carefulness here, because you do not want to scratch this paint. That's the last thing you want to do. What I usually do is, and I'm not going to do this with one hand, but just really carefully throw these on. So this one I just put on. I had to move the camera, but you can see the round curved part goes into the door, and then this is the part that actually hooks up to the body. but I'll just flip these up really carefully. And I'll put the bolts in there, not really tight, but just tight enough, because we'll have to square it all up to the body and make sure everything is even gap-wise. So we'll do that now. Another way to tell on these if you're doing it right is one side, you see these slots here have no thread, and these inside here do have a thread. So that part goes in there. These don't have a thread because on the body there's a bracket that goes into the body that has a thread. So that's how you'll know if you're doing it right. And what I usually do is I'll put just hand tighten all these, and then slowly and very, very carefully start tightening them with the ratchet. Nothing is tight right now. It's just, as you can see, we gotta level it out and make sure that gap is perfect. So right now it's almost there, but we'll just start tweaking it, adjusting it. But you can definitely see how this thing is gonna look insane, this Bronco. So we got the door on. And the door will obviously have to be adjusted. Cool thing about the Broncos is inside it has a bracket that is adjustable. So you just leave these a little bit loose, and just a tiny bit. As you close, you can see your gap, and as you need, you can pull it up, pull it down. See here, you can see the gap is a little tighter than the bottom. So we'll have to make that adjustment. But this thing is, I love this color. It's awesome.